Hi, I'm Caitlin, and here are 5 key actions for renter disaster preparedness. Across the U.S., more than 18 million rental units are at risk from extreme weather. Here are some tips to help renters get prepared for disasters. Tip number 1, make a preparedness plan that can be deployed during a disaster. This includes assembling a disaster supplies kit, creating an emergency evacuation or sheltering plan, and making a financial recovery plan. For example, take time in advance to determine where you'd evacuate and make a plan to stay with family or friends if your home is damaged and you are displaced. Developing a tailored plan is key to your safety. Tip number 2, purchase renter's insurance and read your policy to understand your coverage. Know that most policies do not include flood coverage. So if you have flood risk, you need to fill that gap by purchasing a separate, contents-only flood insurance policy. The Federal Emergency Management Agency, also known as FEMA, offers content-only policies for renters through the National Flood Insurance Program. Set aside cash that can be used for an emergency fund or to pay for your insurance deductibles. Tip number 3, take action to protect your rental property to reduce the risk of being displaced if a disaster occurs. Talk to your landlord about who is responsible for what maintenance, including tree limbs that could create damage during a disaster. Review your rental contract before a disaster strikes and take quick actions to secure your home. Move outdoor items like lawn furniture that could create damage and elevate important items off of the ground. Tip number 4, organize and protect important documents ahead of disasters. This can speed up the process of applying for federal aid or submitting an insurance claim. Know that renters are eligible to apply for disaster aid from FEMA and the Small Business Administration. FEMA provides assistance for renters to cover personal property damage or loss and other disaster-related expenses, like temporary housing. The Small Business Administration offers low-interest loans to renters to repair or replace disaster-damaged personal items. Tip number 5, learn about your rights post-disaster now, which will help you to reduce delays in your recovery. Documentation is key. Keep records of repair requests, notices to your landlord indicating that you need to leave your unit temporarily, and pictures and videos of any disaster-related damage. Understand that you are entitled to timely property repairs. Take time to learn your lease termination rights in advance and know what actions you are eligible to take post-disaster related to your lease. To learn more about how to prepare for and recover from disasters as a renter, check out our renter guide in SBP's online resources hub at sbpusa.org/resource-hub.